Alright, so now we're gonna create an Airtable base from scratch. So usually ito yung agad mo makikita once you are logged in and this is your workspace. You guys can create different workspace naman dito, no? So for VA Tools Training, isa lang munang workspace yung ginamit ko. And you will see here, add a base, no? Etong mga to are templates na ginawa natin doon sa first demo. So we're gonna create a base from scratch, and if you click yung plus na icon or etong box na to, it will ask you to start with a template, import a spreadsheet, or start from scratch. Okay? So yung start from scratch, if you're gonna click that, it will ask you to rename your base. So let's say, for example, this is our social media content calendar. Let's say for Excel Hub, then you guys can select the color that you want here. Okay? And then pwede mong palitan yung icon niya. Kumbaga yun yung icon sa loob ng yung box na yan na green. No? So we're gonna use this one since it's a content calendar, and mag-a-apply naman yung changes na yon. So if you're gonna click here, you will see some of the options na lumabas kanina. Alright, so you have an option to share, to duplicate the base, if you want to copy the base, and if you want to move the base to another workspace, and for Slack notification then. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, I'll open this one, and ito yung default na makikita mo. Okay, i-close ko lang to guys. Ayan. So, ito yung default na window na makikita mo doon sa blank na base. And you will see na yung label niya sa tab is table 1. Okay? So, if you're gonna double click this, pwede mong palitan yung pangalan. Para siyang sheet tabs sa Excel. So, pwede mo siyang pangalanan ng content calendar. Tapos, press enter lang. So, naka-grid view ka by default, no? So you have here the name, tapos may notes, attachments, and status na which later on you can change naman. So let's say for the name, pwede mong i-rename ito, let's say category ng content mo, tapos we can select some options here, no? So we're gonna use, this is kasi this is a primary field, no? So we cannot really change etong field na to. So limited siya sa mga field types na yan. If you notice, wala yung single select. So i-retain na lang natin siya dito sa single line text for now. And then we're gonna change this to subcategory. Okay, and we're gonna select etong field type na single select. And it will ask you for the colored option na pwede mo namang i-off, pero mas okay kapag naka-on yan. And you can add options here. So, let's say we're gonna create informational, motivational, ayan. So, ito yung mga subtopics na lang. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang dagdagan ng title na subtopics. And then, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng, let's say, MS Excel topic, freelancing related, soft skills, other tools, no? And you guys can select the color that you want for those categories. Ayan. Okay? So, we're gonna click save. So, now, let's say we have here a category na informational yung gusto naming i-post sa social media. Nga pala, adjust natin. And yung magiging subcategory niya, let's say, Microsoft Excel topic, no? And let's say this one, papalitan ko siya ng description, and I'm gonna select long text. Enable natin yung rich text formatting, and we can click save. So, since this is a description, I'm gonna have to adjust yung size ng column. So, description, for example, mga pwede kong ilagay dyan. Kapag nag-type ka ng dash, nag-press ka ng space, magiging bullet siya. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng iba pang details. Let's say, mga naiisip kong topic about Excel, shortcut keys, enter lang, database management, dashboard, development, complex formulas, charting, data visualization. Ayan. Alright? So, burahin natin. Ayan. So, hindi siya nakikita lahat, no? So, pwede mo i-click itong row height and you can change this to extra tall. Ayan. And the status, we can actually change this since, syempre, iniisip mo kung natapos mo na ba yung mga content na yun, na-design ko na ba sila. So, I'm gonna change the status to in progress, completed, at saka for review, for example. Okay? So, pwede mo i-click ito para matanggal yung ibang option na hindi mo kailangan. And I prefer dark colors na hindi gaanong, ayan, magkakalapit yung mga shades nila. So, we're gonna click save. And pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng status dyan. So, let's say, eto, motivational. Tapos, kung wala yung option dyan for motivational, pwede mo naman siya i-double click, dagdagan mo na lang siya. So, tips and reminders, for example. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang i-click yan. Alright, so for the topics, press ka lang ng dash and then space. Pwede kang motivational for aspiring freelancers, reminders to keep learning, to never stop learning na lang. To never stop learning. Ayan. Kunwari lang gumagawa ako ng plan kung ano yung mga gusto kong i-post sa social media. Okay? So, let's say I want to add some images na ginawa ko from Canva. So, pwede akong maglagay dito ng content. And I'm gonna select attachment and click save. So, para makapag-attach ako dito, pwede akong mag-click itong plus na icon. O kaya drag and drop. And then you can click select files. Tapos, pwede tayong select ng content. Kahit anong content lang na nakita ko. And you can click upload. So, pwede kang maglagay ng multiple images, no? Or multiple files sa isang cell. Ayan. So, mag-upload lang yan. Then, you can start adding more pictures here. Sorry po sa background noise. And you can click upload, no? So, ito yung nasa taas, lumabas na siya. So, if you want na ma-enlarge yun, i-click mo lang yung picture para ma-enlarge mo siya. Ayan. You have an option here to download, no? Teka lang, nanatakpan ng picture ko. Ayan. So, may option ka dito to download the picture or if you want to rename the attachment or if you want to remove the attachment. Okay? And then, you can close it here. So, eto na yung mga attachment ng content mo. Alright? So, let's say, gawa pa tayo ng isa. Informational, promotional. Let's say, yan yung category or ang main category naman yan usually sa freelancing. Pwede tayo, let's say, yung VA tools promo, SMM training promo, yung Linda promo. Ayan, kunwari lang yan. At if you press tab pa lang, magiging sub, ano niya yon, bullet niya yon, okay? So, yeah. Alright, so let's say completed na yan and you can add, ano naman dito, you can add attachments, no? So, usually, kapag gumagawa ka ng base, mas okay kapag marami kang mga columns for categories kasi later on, pwede mo siyang gawa ng grouping. So, if you click group here, pwede mo siyang i-group by status. Ayan, magsasama-sama yung mga naka-in progress, completed, and for review. Then, you can remove the grouping if you don't want that. Okay? And pwede mo siyang gawan ng Kanban view. So, pipili ka ng grouping field. So, let's say yung status niya, and then if you click done, makikita mo lahat dito yung mga naka-in progress, yung mga completed, at saka yung mga for review. Okay? Alright. So, let's say naman you want to add another tab. Just click here and then pwede kang mag-create empty table and pwede kang maglagay dyan ng task, no? So, let's say yung mga task mo and then dito ilalagay natin yung anong klaseng task ba siya or sa anong grouping. Kunwari ako, ang dami kong ginagawa. Minsan VA ako, minsan coach ako. Okay? Tapos, we can create here category. And then, let's say, task is create YouTube informational video. Ayan, so lalakihan mo lang siya. And then, category, pwede mo siyang palitan ng single select. And then, for the category, pwede yan as, let's say, yung client ko, M-Sites task ba siya? Silverback ba siya? Taong-ngurong ba siya? And then, I have another client, Epic Babes. O kaya naman, Excel Hub related ba siya? Okay? So, you can click save and pwede mo siyang i-group, no? So, let's say it's an Excel Hub task. And then, email marketing, under yan kay Silverback. Process payroll, under yan kay Epic Vapes. Okay? And then you just skip on typing here. Ayan. Process, generate, Google Analytics. Pwede yan kay M-Sites naman. Ayan. So, tapos pwede ka ditong maglagay ng another, let's say, schedule niya. And then, pwede kang mag-single select. Let's say, kailan ko ba siya ginagawa? Every Monday ba siya? Every Tuesday? Okay. Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, or Monday to Friday. Or weekends lang. Ayan. Okay. So, you guys can group them. Let's say, Monday to Friday yan. Ito naman, pang weekend lang. Kunwari lang. Alright? So, pwede mo na siyang i-group, for example, or i-convert to a Kanban view. So, if you click Kanban, pwede mo i-select yung schedule and done. And you will basically see yung mga records under Monday to Friday, yung mga pang weekends. Since wala akong nilagay sa Monday, wala siyang lumabas dyan. Pero it's a good way for you to monitor yung mga task mo, for example. And you can click here, add a new record, tapos pwede kang maglagay dyan ng mga bagong task. Let's say, every Wednesday, I have a task for Silverback to update the summary spreadsheet. So, ang category niya ay Silverback. Status niya, to do yan, and then, malalagay na siya dyan. Kapag pinalitan mo siya ng araw, kunwari Wednesday siya, 'di ba? Ginawa mo siyang Friday, automatic siyang lilipat kay Friday. Okay? So, yun yung basic na way on how you guys can use Airtable for your task. Ang ginawa ko before sa client ko is yung mga instructions. Let's say, yung mga task ko, may mga task ako dyan, tapos naglagay ako dito ng screenshots for reference, kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko kung paano gawin yung mga reports na yun, kasi minsan hindi siya everyday na ginagawa. So, naglalagay ako dyan ng mga screenshots. So, I'm gonna click save. Okay? So, if you want naman to import an Excel file na naka-CSV, you can click here. Tapos, pwede kang mag-click ng import a spreadsheet. You can click CSV file, choose a CSV file, and then click mo lang yan. Hanapin mo yung file na gusto mong i-upload. Let's say, all files. Subukan natin. Hindi siya tumatanggap ng file or Excel file na format. So, dapat naka-CSV siya. Yung mga naka-workbook format, hindi siya allowed. So, let's say, hanap tayo ng CSV. Okay, let's say, etong hanap tayo na iba. Sige, we can try this. Let's say MailChimp data. So make sure na naka-CSV siya. Kanina nakita nyo nag-error naman siya. Then you can click upload. So ang mangyayari is i-import niya yung laman nung CSV file na yon dito sa ating file. Dito siya sa sa attachment. Tapos kapag naman ilalagay mo siya for another sheet or tab, you can click here tapos import a spreadsheet, CSV. Ayan, MailChimp. Upload. Ayan, so it's processing the imports naman. And this time, napunta na siya sa tab, no? Kanina, na-import natin siya dito sa screenshots for reference, or let's say, files for reference. Okay? And then, ito, yung ginawa natin kanina dito na import a spreadsheet, in-import niya yung file na kinuha natin from the CSV report. So, ito siya. Ito yung kailangan natin na data. So, na-convert siya para siyang Excel spreadsheet, no? Imbis na mag-copy-paste ka, pinasok natin dito yung database na galing sa CSV file papunta kay Airtable. Tapos, since meron kang mga categories dito, pwede mo siyang i-convert, no? Let's say, yung source. Let's say, mga categories yan. You can double-click this one. Tapos, pwede mo siyang palitan ng single select. And you can click save here. Iko-convert niya yan to a more visually appealing drop-down option. Kagaya nito. Alright, so yun na lang muna for now. And I'll add more videos after this session. Thank you.